Why does it always happen at night? That sound, that horrible sound, that means the alarm has gone off. Somebody is in the house. I get my flashlight, grab my Louisville Mickey Mantle Special baseball bat, and it's time to check the perimeters. All the locks are in place. No signs of broken windows or glass on the floor. The house is safe. That means it's only one thing. The backup battery is dead. Again. This is where your security panel is. The battery will be sitting here, kind of wedged in. You'll have the plus and the minus. I actually marked these with a permanent marker, but if you didn't have that, you can see that the red all the way around wire goes to the red place, and the red and black wire, in this case, goes to this terminal right here. The hardest thing about this fix or repair is making sure that you get the right battery. Most batteries will have some sort of 1-800 number that you can call and get the exact one. Problem is, I'm not sure that this battery is any more reliable than this battery I got on Amazon. I'll post it down below in case you're interested. What you want to make sure is that you have the right voltage and amp hours. So here you have 12 volts, 7.2 amp hours, 7.2 amp hours. If there's any doubt, there's usually a code on the back that will help you out. Plug that into Amazon. That's what I did to get this one. Oh, by the way, this is March 2014 when it was manufactured. I'm not sure how long I had it in, probably 5-7 years. Cost of replacement of these batteries can run anywhere from $50 or more. This battery replacement cost me right around $19. This is an honest review. I'm not getting paid anything to promote this company at all. But here you got Mighty Max batteries, highly rated, exact same footprint. The positive is red and the negative is black. And I'm looking here for a manufacture date. February 22, maybe that's the manufacturing date. Today is the 20th of March 23. But if you didn't have a silver Sharpie, you could just use a piece of tape, put it down there, you're good to go. So all we need to do is go back to the security system and install this battery. You just take these little plastic covers off, slide it in place, connect your wires, and there you go. Simple, easy, done. Checking out my system now. The check battery indicator is off. My system's full up and operational again. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in home repairs, home fixes, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.